So what exactly are you going to learn in this course? Well, in this course, you are going to learn how to create a complete cryptocurrency informational website using Flask web development framework. So Flask is just a web development framework based on Python. So basically, you are going to learn how to create a web application using Flask using Python, and that web application is going to get data from a service from an API to display information about cryptocurrencies and their rates, their current rates. Let me show you an example of what you are going to learn. So by the end of this course, you will have created a complete web application that displays all cryptocurrencies and their values in USD. So by the end of this course, you will have created a complete table that displays all cryptocurrencies and their equivalent in USD. So here on the left side, it displays the cryptocurrency, and on the right side, it displays the value in USD. And you will find everything such as Bitcoin and its value, Ethereum, and all cryptocurrencies. And this is a great practice in order to that's gonna make you that's going to help you make advanced applications, because in this course I'm going to cover many things. I'm going to cover how to create a simple web application using Flask, and also how to make requests to an API service and get the data from that service and display the data to the user.